So today we are going to do a big transformation. As you can see, this beauty is a level 2. She is super dark and wants to go mega blonde. So I'm going to use my extra large pop-up foils by Product Club, and I'm going to cover as much blonde as I can, and I'm literally taking back-to-back slices around her hairline, because when she has her hair forward or she's wearing it up, I really want that brightness. Now, as you can see with these slices, you might be concerned with stripes at her root. We're going to address that later in this video. She has a lot of hair, so being able to literally just slice and go is going to be the best way for me to get all of her color on the fastest way. And each time that I'm working in a new section, I am remixing my lightener to keep it nice and strong. Working up in her mohawk section, I am fully saturating, and these foils really allow me to cover from one side of the head to the other. I'm going from the left parietal all the way over to the right side parietal, still keeping these foils nice and tight and secure to her root, because I will go through and root melt them, but I want to make sure that we're getting full saturation. Any of her ends that are left out, I am going to make sure all of them are blonde, because she wants to be as blonde as she can. And look at that lift. I'm going to pull these foils before I take her to the sink, because it's going to make her much easier to rinse out, and pulling all this at the sink can be a lot. Now I'm going through with my Ruskin 10, and I am doing a root melt using my extra large Product Club brush. So the brush that I'm taking with it being extra large, and it has a softer bristle on it. So when I'm applying the color to her root, it's going to help give that soft, natural gradient blend that you want to have for a root melt. And you can see that her roots are striped from my application, but I was able to cut my time down in half with using the extra large foils and slicing and going through with a 10-minute root color. Her roots only have to process for 10 minutes, and look at this end result. I am so happy with it, and I hope you guys like it too.